Benefits of eating almonds. 1. A powerhouse of antioxidants. Antioxidants protect our bodies from oxidative stress and free radicals that can damage our body cells and make us ill. Almonds are a rich source of antioxidants, and most of the antioxidants are present in their brown skin. So, if you want to have the health benefits of almonds, then don't go for blanched almonds. 2. Can improve blood cholesterol. The fat content in almonds mostly contains unsaturated fat, which is also known as heart-friendly fat. This type of fat doesn't increase LDL, bad cholesterol. A study has found that vitamin E content in almonds stops the oxidation process that can otherwise cause cholesterol clogging in arteries. 3. Manages blood sugar level. Almonds are naturally low in carbs, and high in protein and fiber that makes them ideal for a low-sugar diet. The magnesium content in almonds also helps in controlling blood sugar and improves insulin function. 4. Helps in losing weight. Although relatively high in fats, almonds are considered good for weight loss. Our body doesn't absorb all the calories present in nuts, and almonds can also enhance your metabolism, making it a good addition to a weight loss diet. The protein and fiber content in almonds curb your appetite and control your calorie intake throughout the day. 5. Excellent source of vitamin E. Almonds contain a higher amount of vitamin E than most nuts. Vitamin E contains antioxidants that fight against free radicals. It is also said that vitamin E intake can lower the risk of Alzheimer's. 6. Improves bone strength. Various nutrients contribute to bone health such as copper, calcium, magnesium, manganese, vitamin K, zinc, and protein. Fortunately, all of these nutrients are present in almonds in a decent amount. Thus, experts consider almonds good to enhance bone health. 7. Lower the blood pressure level. High blood pressure lead to heart problems like heart attack and stroke. Studies have found that the intake of magnesium can reduce the risk of high blood pressure. Looking at almonds nutrition facts, we can see that 28 grams of almonds provide 20% of the recommended daily intake of magnesium. 8. Boosts the feeling of fullness. High in protein, healthy fats, and fiber, but low in carbs, almonds can boost the feeling of fullness. This will reduce your desire to eat, which ultimately helps you eat fewer calories. Eating almonds in mid-morning or as a mid-meal snack can be healthy. 9. Benefits of almonds for eye health. Again, the credit goes to the vitamin E content of almonds that protect our eyes and prevent any abnormal changes in lenses. 10. Nourishes your skin. Do you know that almonds have been an integral part of the skin and cosmetic products? This is because the flavonoids present in almonds nourishing the skin and slowing down the aging process. 11. Improves memory and mental alertness. Again, we can complement almonds' nutrition for its cell-carnitine and riboflavin content that helps in the growth of brain cells. Almonds mixed with milk produce potassium that further boosts the number of electrolytes in our body. With electrolytes, our memory also sharpens. 12. Good for treating anemia. Anemia is a result of dysfunctional red blood cells or a lack of red blood cells to carry adequate oxygen to the body's tissues and brain. Almonds contain nutrients like iron, copper, and vitamins that produce enough hemoglobin, which is necessary to prevent anemia. 13. Naturally gluten-free. Being naturally gluten-free, almonds are great for those who have a gluten allergy. Usually, a gluten-free diet is low in essential nutrients like iron, fiber, and protein. On the other hand, almonds' protein content along with other essential nutrients make it easy to fill the gaps. 14. Good source of energy. You can now replace your unhealthy snacks with almonds as they can help you keep moving throughout the day. Being a good source of copper, manganese, and riboflavin, almonds produce energy. Riboflavin helps in producing red blood cells and convert carbohydrates to energy. 15. Prevent gallstone. Last but not least in our list of almonds benefits is that almonds can prevent gallstones by making your gallbladder and liver run smoothly. A few studies have shown that nut consumers have decreased the risk of gallstone diseases and reduced the need of removing the gallstone by 25 to 30%. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to watch more content every day.